back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. I am so excited for this one. Getting downstairs nice and cozy and clean, and yeah, I just love that clean house feeling. I'm going to show you a few clips because it is anything but cozy right now. So this is what we're currently working with. It's a hot mess and I have definitely got my work cut out for me, but by the end of it we're going to be lighting candles. I'm also going to be making some potpourri like on the stove. Is that what it's called? Like cooked potpourri? I don't know what it's actually called, but I'm going to be making some of that to make the whole downstairs smell insane, because this afternoon I just want to be able to sit down with a hot coffee and have that clean house feeling. Do you know what I mean? Light all the candles and just feel super duper snug and cozy. So I really hope that you enjoy today's video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, hitting that red subscribe button down below. You can also join and get a few extra perks. Don't forget to leave today's video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it. So I'm starting out in the kitchen today. I always start in the kitchen. It just motivates me to carry on, and it's always the biggest mess. I really need to get in the habit of doing it before I go to bed. But honestly, I am just so lazy at night. So I need to try and get into that habit. But right now, I just need to whiz around, clean it all up, get the dishwasher on, do all the things, and then we can start making it feel more cozy.
Change a lot. How can I make it through to you when these silly little words are all that I've got? We can try to just pretend I could hold you once again, 'cause I'm scared of feeling lost tonight. When I wake up, it's you that I think of, it's true. It's so obvious, but I'm holding back because you don't want me like I want you. You don't feel me like I feel you. Oh no. And I must confess that you don't touch me like I touch you. Never blush, baby, when I kiss you, but you don't. And I must confess that I wish I'd find someone new. Forget about you. 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 There's only so much that we can save, like a storyline and a few cliches. When we break up, it's true that I'm making up this through. I don't wanna pass the buck, but we're in this place because you don't want me like I want you. You don't feel me like I feel you. Oh no. And I must confess that you don't touch me like I touch you. Never blush, baby, when I kiss you. You don't.
So once I had the kitchen nice and clean, it was time to tackle this little area here. And honestly, this is like our catch-all space. It just gets so messy. So I wanted to go in, give it a good declutter, clean the drinks cabinet, add a few autumnal touches, and yeah, just sort of clean the space, because it makes like the whole area and kitchen area look so much bigger when this is nice and tidy. So I want to go in and just do a little bit of a declutter.
about you. Never hurts me when I kiss you and you don't. And I must confess that I wish I'll find someone new and forget about you.
So the front room actually wasn't too bad on this day. Some of you are probably looking at this thinking it's a hot mess, but this is actually really good for me. So I just had a bit of washing to put away, obviously sorting out all of Max's toys. It just makes it look messier than it is, and then I can go in, dust and hoover, and then start making things feel more cozy. So I'm really glad that there wasn't actually too much like deep cleaning that I needed to do, because I really wanted to get a nice cozy feel rather than a deep clean, and this was just such a cozy day. It does actually run over to 2 days because I ran out of time. It got a little bit dark, but yeah, I love how everything comes together and it just feels so cozy and autumnal by the end. Okay, so we're on to the second day. I didn't want to rush it and then do this potpourri thing for like an hour at the end of the day because there wasn't enough. So I waited until the next day. No, this is actually 2 days later, I'm not going to lie. So I waited until I had a full day so I could get this done first thing in the morning, and then the house just smelled amazing for the rest of the day. So yeah, this is day 2. I'm just going to pop this on the stove, get the house smelling amazing, and then we can carry on cleaning. Okay, so I have no idea why I didn't just separate that bag into 2 smaller bags, because it would have been so much easier. So this is everything that I'm donating. But as you can see, the first bag split, so I had to put it in the black bag, but then that split, so I then had to double up the black bags. Honestly, I don't know what I was thinking at this point. I could have just made 2 smaller bags, but anyway, it doesn't matter. I got it sorted, so I'm just leaving that by the door along with that cardboard box that you can see that's also for donation. So they're just going to wait at the front door because they have been there for so long, and unless it's at the door as we leave, we never remember to pick it up. So I thought if I leave it there, we'll remember next time we go out. And then I just need to sort out the shoes and stuff. I do need to really go through everything and put away our summer sandals, because it is just a mix of our trainers and sandals at the minute. But I think that'll be in my next video, because I do need to do like a wardrobe swap over. Like, all of my winter autumn clothes are still in the garage, so I need to sort all of that out, put my summer stuff away, because it is definitely not hot enough anymore for my summer dresses. So I do need to do that. I think that'll be in a vlog. It might be in my next video or the video after, I'm not too sure. But this is my sister just dropping off a top that she fixed for me, because the seam came undone. I can't sew. She's a legend. So that was just popping that back for me, and then I can just carry on cleaning. But yeah, definitely subscribe if you like vlogs. I'm hoping to have more vlogs coming throughout the next few months leading up to Christmas. And yeah, I've just got so many cozy videos planned, so definitely stick around by clicking the red subscribe button if you do like this type of thing. But now, as you can see, moving on to the dusting, I'm just going to go through and dust everything before we can light candles, get cozy, and just put our feet up.
Come and walk beside me, feel my honest aim. I'm reaching up my hand for you to claim. So darling, don't you ever change your mind. I wanna be with you.
I really wish I could explain how nice it smells in here. I definitely recommend you trying that potpourri on the stove. I don't know what it's called, but potpourri on the stove is just its official name now. That is what I'm calling it from now on. But it smells insane. And then going around lighting all the candles, it just feels so cozy. I've had such a lovely afternoon doing this. I really hope that you've enjoyed it as well. Do go ahead and subscribe if you have. Leave today's video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys back here in my next one.
Yeah.